Welcome back my YouTube channel Coin ZF everyone. Today we're diving deep into the world of US coins, from the humble penny to the mighty dollar coin. Whether you're a coin collector, a history enthusiast, or just curious about the coins in your pocket, this video will provide everything you need to know. Let's get started. The US Mint produces several coins used for everyday transactions, as well as special coins meant for collectors. These coins, ranging from 1 cent to $1, have unique designs and stories behind them. But before we break down each one, let's understand the general structure and significance of US coins. Let's start with the penny or the 1 cent coin, which has been around since 1793. Today, it's made of copper-plated zinc, and it's one of the most recognizable coins in the world. The obverse, or front side, features Abraham Lincoln, the 16th President of the United States, while the reverse showcases a shield, symbolizing unity and strength. Despite its small value, the penny has a fascinating history. Did you know that during World War II, pennies were made from steel instead of copper due to metal shortages? That's just one example of how US coins have adapted to historical events. Even though pennies are only worth 1 cent, they can add up quickly. For example, 100 pennies equal just $1. Next up is the nickel, worth 5 cents. The nickel has been in circulation since 1866, and it's made primarily from a mixture of copper and nickel. On the obverse, we see Thomas Jefferson, the 3rd president, and the reverse shows his historic home, Monticello. Nickels have a rich history as well, having undergone several design changes throughout the years, including the famous war nickel during World War II. Fun fact, the nickel's size and weight have remained nearly identical for over 150 years. The dime, worth 10 cents, is the smallest and thinnest US coin in circulation. Despite its small size, the dime packs a big punch in terms of value. On the obverse, we see Franklin D. Roosevelt, the 32nd president, and on the reverse, we have a torch, an olive branch, and an oak branch, symbols of peace, unity, and strength. The dime was introduced in 1796 and has seen several design changes, but it's always been a staple of American currency. Did you know that in 1946, the Roosevelt dime was introduced to honor the president's legacy after his death? The quarter, worth 25 cents, is one of the most commonly used coins in the U.S. and is widely recognized. It has featured George Washington on the obverse since 1932. The reverse has changed over the years, especially in recent decades, with various commemorative designs, such as the 50-state quarters program launched in 1999. But the quarter is particularly interesting due to its role in American history. It was first introduced in 1796 and has undergone several design modifications over time. In fact, many of the quarter designs were changed to honor different states, national parks, and other historical landmarks. The half dollar is worth 50 cents, and it's a coin that's rich in history. The half dollar featured Benjamin Franklin until 1964, when the U.S. Mint decided to honor the late President John F. Kennedy following his assassination. Today, the obverse of the half dollar features Kennedy, and the reverse features the presidential seal. While the half dollar was once commonly used in daily transactions, it has largely been replaced by quarters in modern currency circulation. However, it remains a favorite among collectors. The dollar coin, worth $1, is a coin that has had many different designs throughout U.S. history. The most recent series includes the Sacagawea dollar, which features a Native American woman who helped guide Lewis and Clark during their expedition. Dollar coins were first issued in 1794, and they've been reissued multiple times over the years, with notable designs such as the Eisenhower dollar, the Susan B. Anthony dollar, and more recently, the presidential dollar coins. Despite its historical significance, dollar coins aren't used as much in everyday transactions today, though they're still very much a part of U.S. coinage history that, in addition to everyday coins, the U.S. Mint has also released various commemorative coins. For example, the 50-state quarters program, which ran from 1999 to 2008, featured a unique design for each of the 50 states. Other special programs include the American Eagle coins, which are popular with collectors and investors for their precious metal content, as well as the American Silver Eagles and the Gold Buffalo coins. Coin collecting is a hobby enjoyed by millions around the world. Some collectors focus on specific types of coins, such as error coins or rare editions. Others may invest in coins made of precious metals like gold and silver. One of the most popular ways to invest in coins is through buying bullion coins, such as the American Gold Eagle. These coins are valued not just for their face value, but for the intrinsic value of the metal they contained. There you have it. A detailed look at the U.S. coins in your pocket and the history behind them. From pennies to dollar coins, each of these pieces of currency has a story to tell. Whether you're a collector or just a curious person, I hope you've enjoyed this deep dive into the world of U.S. coins. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Let me know in the comments below. Do you collect coins? What's your favorite U.S. coin? I'd love to hear from you.